Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wilma. If you're new, nice to meet everybody. I have my box in from HOSS that has my seed potatoes in here, so I can't wait to open it and see what we have. I am going to have to plant them, I think in like 2 days, because I'm supposed to cut them and then let them sit out for a couple days. That way the part that I cut will, I guess, dry out. So let's see. That makes it easier. So let's see what we have here. Thank you for your order from Paul. On my potatoes. Right. And the first one is, oh, this is a lot. This is a big bag of potatoes. This is a 5-pound bag, I'm thinking. Yeah, 5 pounds. Yukon Gold. So this is a Yukon Gold. It says Minnesota Certified Seed Potatoes. Official blue tag. This is so exciting. Let's open one up before I pull out the other ones. Is there a certain way that way I can keep this bag, or am I just supposed to throw this thing away? I'm not sure. I think there is a way for me to cut this and keep this little bag. Tough to open. There we go. Let's take one out and look at it. Wow, this is really big for a Yukon Gold. I was expecting half the size. So I see a few eyes on here already. These are really good size. All of these are. See, this is what I was expecting. I was expecting them all to be this small, but those are pretty big. Okay, so this is Yukon Gold. We put these back. And then I'm going to cut them up later tonight. Have been ready to plant in my potato grow bags in 2 days. This one is the Norland Red, also a 5-pound bag. So let's see if I can open this bag up a little faster than the last one, so we can take a look. Let's see the sizes in here. Look to be pretty big also. I always thought red potatoes were tiny. These don't look too tiny. It's a good size. It's pretty big for a red potato. I was expecting small. All pretty big. See? This is what I was expecting. Something tiny for a red potato. These are good size. And the last one that we have in here, last one, is the Kennebec, which is, I guess, like a russet potato. Let's open this up. This one I am expecting larger size because it's a russet. See what we got. It's a good size. Some of these are a little smaller than I was expecting for the russet. I thought the Yukon Gold and the red were going to be smaller. So this is a good size. So I need to find out if I'm supposed to wait for the eyes to come out a little bit more, or if I'm just supposed to cut it and then wait. I'm going to read up on that tonight so I can find out. And then I will see y'all in a couple days so we can put these in the grow bags together. Alright, I think that is everything. So 10, 15 pounds, 3 different varieties. I cannot wait to plant these. Oh, there's also planting tips right on the bag, so I will go through that as well. And it does tell me to cut. Okay, cut seed potatoes into 1.5 to 2 ounces with at least 1 eye per piece. I'm gonna try to do at least 2 or 3 eyes per piece. And then let cuts dry heal a day before planting. Okay, so perfect. I was gonna wait 2 days. Small potatoes should be planted whole. Okay, so I don't have to cut everything, just the big ones. Space seed potatoes 10 to 12 inches apart and cover with 2 to 3 inches of loose soil. Okay, so I can do that. I will start cutting just the bigger ones up. The middle ones that I saw, I'm going to just leave like this. This is kind of, it's a baby. So I will just leave that this size and plant this whole. All right, well, this is it. Thank you again for joining me. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any comments, any questions. I would love to start a conversation with you. Thanks everyone for joining. Bye.